In this video, we're going to discuss some incredible microbiome testing kits that can test your gut flora, and I am going to share with you one of my personal favorite kits because it gives you some really great data and it is very affordable. So let's dive in. The human body contains trillions of microorganisms from bacteria to fungi to viruses. The biome test stands out due to its advanced approach to gut microbiome analysis. You'll receive a kit in the mail that contains everything you need: a test collection tube, a return shipping package, and instructions. They offer guidance on food-based prescriptions. These are essentially foods that can help support your gut health based on the specific needs identified in your biome report. However, the knowledge gained from these tests can certainly inform dietary choices and lifestyle changes that contribute to overall wellness. Microbi's Gut Health Test is a comprehensive analysis of your gut microbiome, examining the bacteria present in your stool samples. The Everlywell test involves collecting a stool sample, which might sound unappealing, but it's the most effective way to obtain a representative sample of your gut bacteria. After receiving your kit, you'll follow the instructions to collect your sample, then place it in the provided packaging. Some factors to consider include the type of analysis you're interested in, whether it's composition, function, or both, the convenience of the sampling process, and the level of personalization and support you require. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching and happy gut health journey. I personally love the biome test due to its in-depth analysis and functional approach, but other options like Microbi, Everlywell, and Thrive are equally excellent in their own right. Remember, regardless of which test you choose, the ultimate goal is to gain a deeper understanding of your gut health, so you can make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your gut, that's definitely the case. And send it back to the lab using the prepaid shipping label. The Everlywell test uses advanced DNA sequencing to analyze the composition of your gut bacteria. Once your results are ready, you'll have access to a detailed report that reveals the types and quantities of bacteria present in your gut. Everlywell presents these findings in an easy-to-understand format. You'll see how your microbial profile compares to those considered healthy, allowing you to identify areas that might benefit from improvement. Beyond just the report, Everlywell provides personalized recommendations for supporting your gut health. They offer guidance on diet and lifestyle changes that can help you increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria or reduce potentially harmful ones. However, it is important to note that the Everlywell test primarily focuses on the composition of your gut bacteria and doesn't delve into the functional aspects. This means it might not provide insights into the actual functions or capabilities of your gut bacteria, which some other tests like Biome offer. Nevertheless, the Everlywell test is still a comprehensive analysis of your gut's microbial makeup and a great starting point for anyone wanting to learn more about their gut health. This test uses next-generation sequencing technology to identify and quantify the bacteria species in your gut. Thrive offers three main products: the Home Test Kit, the Travel Test Kit, and the Rapid Test. Each kit uses a non-invasive cheek swab method to collect your microbiome sample. The Home Test Kit is ideal for those who want a comprehensive analysis of their gut microbiome. The Travel Test Kit is perfect for those on the go, and the Rapid Test is for those who need quick results. All three kits utilize cutting-edge metagenomic sequencing technology, which means they analyze both the type and quantity of bacteria present in your gut. This comprehensive approach allows Thrive to provide detailed insights into your gut health. Your personalized report not only reveals the composition of your microbiome, but also the functional aspects, indicating what your bacteria can do and how they interact with your body. Thrive goes beyond just providing data. They offer personalized recommendations for improving your gut health. You'll receive guidance on nutrition, prebiotics, and probiotics that align with your unique microbial profile. Additionally, Thrive provides access to certified health coaches who can guide you through your gut health journey, answer questions, and provide ongoing support. The process begins with ordering a test kit from Microbi. Upon arrival, you'll follow the simple instructions to collect your stool sample. When your sample is ready to be sent back, you'll use the provided packaging and shipping label to return it to the lab. The entire process is designed to be hassle-free and discreet. Once your sample reaches the lab, Microbi's team of experts will perform a detailed analysis to generate your personalized gut health report. This report not only tells you what's in your gut, but also provides insights into how your microbiome compares to healthy individuals. You'll gain a score reflecting the quality of your gut health based on key indicators, like the abundance of beneficial bacteria and the presence of potentially harmful bacteria. Moreover, Microbiome goes beyond simply providing data. Their platform offers personalized recommendations for improving your gut health. You'll have access to tailored advice on diet and lifestyle changes based on your unique microbial profile. These recommendations aren't generic. They're designed to target the specific needs of your gut and can include suggestions for increasing the intake of certain fibers or modifying your diet to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Microbiome also offers a range of educational resources, helping you better understand your gut microbiome and the factors influencing its health. They provide clear explanations of complex topics and practical tips for maintaining a healthy gut. Additionally, Microbiome has a dedicated support team ready to assist with any questions or concerns you might have, whether you're navigating the testing process or trying to understand your results. Their team is there to help. For example, if your analysis shows a need for more fiber fermentation, Biome might recommend an increase in foods rich in that particular type of fiber. These recommendations aren't generic. They're tailored to your gut. Additionally, Biome provides access to a range of additional resources, including educational content, blogs, and guides to help you better understand your gut microbiome and how to optimize it for better health. What's more, Biome is constantly innovating, introducing new features and analysis to keep your microbiome report up to date and comprehensive. One such feature is the Gut Health Score, a numerical representation of your overall gut health based on various factors analyzed in the test. Another exciting development is Biome's integration of metabolomics, the study of metabolites in the body. This means they can now analyze not just the composition of your gut bacteria and their genes, but also the end products they create. This provides an even more in-depth look at your gut's functionality and allows for more precise recommendations for improving your gut health. The collection process itself is straightforward. You don't need to provide a stool sample. Instead, you simply need to collect a few mouth bacteria samples using a sterile swab provided in the kit. Once collected, the sample needs to be placed into the test collection tube. After that, you just need to mail the test collection tube back using the prepaid return shipping label. As soon as your sample arrives at the lab, Biome's team of scientists will get to work analyzing your unique gut microbiome. The results typically take about 2 weeks to come back, and when they do, you'll have access to a detailed report outlining your microbial composition and functional analysis. Now, this might seem like a lot of sciencey jargon, but trust me, the results are presented in a clear and understandable way. You don't need to be a scientist to interpret them. The report often includes information like the diversity of your microbiome, which is important for overall gut health, and the abundance of specific bacteria strains. Additionally, the functional analysis section will highlight the capabilities of your gut bacteria, such as their ability to digest certain compounds or produce beneficial metabolites. Unlike many other tests that focus solely on the composition of your gut bacteria, Biome takes a deeper dive. It not only examines the makeup of your gut bacteria, but also analyzes the genes they contain. This might sound a little scary, but it's actually a good thing. By studying the functions of these bacterial genes, Biome can predict what your bacteria are capable of doing. For instance, if you have genes related to vitamin production, that could indicate a potential for your bacteria to synthesize certain vitamins like vitamin K or B vitamins. Similarly, the presence of specific genes might suggest a risk for conditions like inflammatory bowel disease or even influence how you process foods like carbohydrates. This functional analysis allows for more precise recommendations and a better understanding of your gut's capabilities. These microorganisms, collectively known as our microbiota, play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. They assist in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. But did you know that these microbial communities differ significantly from person to person? That's right. No two people have the same microbiota. So how do we figure out what's going on in our gut? Well, enter at-home gut test kits. Now, you may have heard of companies like Biome or Seed, but there are many more options available, and they can provide valuable insights into your gut health and even help you make informed decisions about your diet. But the question is, which test is best suited for you? Let's break down some popular options and their benefits. First, let's start with one of my personal favorites, the Biome by Biome. Now let's talk about the process. Taking a Biome test is no different than taking any other DNA ancestry test. But what makes Biome truly special is the personalized recommendations it provides. Based on your unique gut profile, while Biome offers a range of subscription plans, including options with prescription medications. It's important to note that they are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Another notable option is the Microbiome, a company that focuses on making gut health accessible through simple at-home testing. Next, we have the Everlywell Gut Health Test, another popular option for those looking to delve into their gut microbiome. Finally, we have Thrive, a company that takes a holistic approach to gut health by combining microbiome testing with personalized recommendations and coaching. At the end of the day, the best gut test for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. All right, folks, that wraps up our exploration of some amazing at-home gut tests.